Good morning, guys. It is Doug here, and I am so happy to be back in Cairo. So I got in here yesterday, took the train from Alexandria, really excited to see all my friends, and today I'm going to be meeting up with the world famous Azzam. So I'm actually going to be meeting him and his mother for lunch at their home. They were so kind to invite me, and I'm super excited to experience an authentic Egyptian home-cooked meal, and luckily I am going to get to take you guys along with me. So guys, I'm staying this time very close to Tahrir Square in a hostel. It's called Medina Hostel, and it's actually on the 10th floor of this building, so check out the view from my window. You can see the Nile in the background, you can see Cairo Tower, the Nile Ritz-Carlton, so really great view, and I absolutely love this place so far. So, it's time to head out. Let's go. Alright guys, so welcome back to sunny Tahrir Square. I am going to meet Azam here in downtown because even though he sent me his address, he insisted on coming to retrieve me from downtown to then go back to Giza to where he lives. What a good guy. So I'm gonna meet him here in front of the American University. I picked up some flowers for Azam's mother to thank her for her hospitality. And now we're just waiting for the man himself to show up. All right, guys. So I'm supposed to be meeting Azam right there across the street in front of the American University. So I crossed this tiny little side street and I'm standing there, just standing there. There's a metro station and everything. It's just a street corner like any other. And a cop comes up to me and is like, "Get out of here." And I'm like, "What? Okay." And I was standing in one area, so I moved like 20 feet to the side, to like the other side of the corner. And he comes up to me again and he's like, "Go." So I just crossed the street and now I'm like, you know, just on the other side of the street, and apparently this is okay. I'll never understand it, but it's funny to me. Guys, look who it is.
Hi. How's everything?
Everything's great, man. It's good to see you.
Me too. Miss you so much.
I miss you too.
I miss everyone.
You know, everyone on the channel misses you. Now when I post videos and you're not in them, they all say, "We want Azam." Go ahead.
No, I love them so much. I miss you guys. And I hope to make another video.
Well, we're doing it right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna make a lot of
great
videos. A great video.
Yeah.
Well, it can't be a great video without Azam's dancing.
I think it will be today. We will dance.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. See you later.
Look at his, but we can't say see you later yet. Look at Azam's new hair. Look at Azam's new look. He's got long hair. Long hair don't care.
Long hair, no care.
I can't believe they let you grow out your hair like this at the police station.
You know, I'm a secret police officer right now.
Oh, okay. So you have to blend in.
Yeah.
That's good.
Have to hide.
Yes. All right. So we're gonna go get some coffee.
Some coffee, and then we will go to my home to take the dinner.
All right. We made it to Giza.
Yeah.
My first time seeing Giza in the light. Last time I was here, it was totally dark out. Oh, there's dust in my eyes. I forgot my flowers at the cafe we were sitting at on the Cairo side of the river. I'm so mad at myself, so now we need to find something else. We're smoking cigarettes in the elevator.
Yeah, this is a bad thing. You cannot try it.
Oh, Egypt, man. Alright guys, so I've made it to Azam's home, and this is brother Muhammad. Maybe you're gonna be the next famous Azam.
Maybe.
And check out the view from their apartment here. You can see a lot of Giza. Whoa, what floor is this? 11? Wow. So we're just relaxing, it's a beautiful day, and then I think we're gonna have some dinner, and yeah, I'll keep you posted.
ايوه طيب ماشي خلي بالك بس عشان اقعد ها
Oh my gosh, we almost got a dance there. Wow, guys, look at all this food. If you want to Azam, do you want to maybe explain what everything is?
Let me explain.
Okay, Mohammed will do it.
Okay. We're going to start from here.
Okay.
This is macarona bechamel.
Macarona bechamel.
Yeah,
Bechamel.
it's macaroni and white sauce
Uh-huh.
and some meat.
Uh-huh.
And we put it in oven.
Oof.
Okay. And this is rice. It's Egyptian rice.
Yep.
And this is a famous one, molokhia.
Molokhia, the king's
It's
food.
the king's food. Yes.
Yes.
And this is chicken layer that I told you.
Yep.
It's something like pigeon, but this is not a pigeon.
So it's chicken that's made to look like pigeon.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And this is vegetable.
Mm-hmm.
And this is chicken with the vegetable. And this is something like Oriental pizza.
Oh.
Okay. This is Egyptian one.
Wow.
And this is meat. And inside this kofta.
Kofta inside?
Yes.
Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm blown away. This is incredible. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bon appetit.
Oh my goodness. All right. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so full, man.
You're so full.
Yeah. I've got a baby. Guys, another character from the last Egypt series is back.
Ahmad. And guess who's back too?
Oh no.
It's me.
The police officer is
Yeah, but right now, give me the
Wait, don't hold there. Hold the bottom. Yeah.
Right now, sorry. Can you give me like space?
Oh.
Wow,
Okay. No, go ahead. Take it.
Okay. Right now, I'm a hide officer,
Huh?
so I'm trying to hide to.
Oh,
go
you're
to-
undercover.
Yeah, undercover officer. It's a new mission, and I guess that you will watch this mission with me and with Dog Bernard.
من امريكا لازم
Oh, thank you.
يبقى بالصوت.
Uh-oh. There we go.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Dog. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my gosh.
حلوة يا
Wow.
سنة حلوة يا جميل. سنة حلوة يا دوب. سنة حلوة يا جميل. يلا
ماما تابوا البيت شغالة جالها حالة خلفت والله ما هي شغالة.
Now we know where you get your talent from. Shukran. Thank you so much.
العفو حبيبي العفو حبيبي بتعرف
Oh my gosh.
هتقلق خالص. بص يلا حالا ده
Well, I didn't mean to buy my own birthday cake. This was supposed to be a gift for Azam's mom, but they're too nice. So my birthday's in like 5 days, and I'm celebrating it here in Egypt, and I'm super happy to be here for my birthday. I'll be 25. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much.
العفو حبيبي.
انت بتعمل ايه؟ بتعمل ايه كده؟ What are you doing? What are you doing?
Making video.
بيصور فيديو؟ ده بيصورنا هو دلوقتي؟ اعمل له كده.
Say hello to the world. Say hello. Marhaba. Hello, hello. ازيك؟ الحمد لله. Okay, مع السلامة. Say goodbye.
باي دوغلاس.
Bye.
باي دوغلاس. صور مع دوغلاس يا حسين.
So, buddy, where are we going?
We will go into Ahmed. He have a room.
Oh, yeah?
It's called, we call it chill out room. Like
Chill out room.
chill out room.
At Ahmad's house?
No, another Ahmed.
Oh, other Ahmad.
Yeah, he is so creative
Creative.
and so intelligent.
Okay.
So we will go to him right now
Okay.
to like get some of a chill.
Okay.
Like
So it's time to chill out.
humble roof.
Thank you, man. This is Ahmad.
Hey,
Nice to meet you, man.
to meet you too.
This is so cool. Check out this little chill rooftop here.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for letting me come hang. Cool spot, man. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Guys, this is my second time doing a photo shoot in an Arab country. This time it's with Korean newspaper as the background. Here you go, Azam.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, damn, that was cool.
Okay. Man, that's cool.
All right, it's Azam's turn.
لا 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 ارمي ارمي
That's firework.
So hard to be a model.
Yeah.
How deep is your love?
No.
How deep is your love?
Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed that quick little video here from Cairo. I had a great time. That was my first time having a real home-cooked meal in an Egyptian house. It was absolutely delicious. Mama Azzam, if you're watching, I want to say thank you so much. Shukran giddan giddan. That was delicious. It was so great to see my friends. Guys, I'm going to be in Cairo for the next week or so, hanging out, having fun, exploring more places that I haven't seen yet. So please, if you enjoyed the video, if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It means a lot and it really helps me out. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.